Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. And in this video, we are just going to be looking at SmartProfit EA. SmartProfit EA, it is one of the expert advisors available on the RobotForexPro website. You can see there are several expert advisors available here. So in this video, we're just looking at this particular product. Okay, it actually has, sort of same setup as the other products on this website. The results are verified by Myfxbook, and there is a clear disclaimer that past performance does not guarantee future results. Past performance is not a promise of future performance. The listing confirms that the EA is for MT4 only. All right. And the EA is priced at $199, down from $450, with the same one live plus demo or two live accounts license. You can see either you use the EA on one live account and one demo, or you use it on two live accounts. All right. And then you can see here that account changes are permitted as outlined in the FAQ. Now, what stands out with SmartProfit is the strategy style. It is built around trend reversal logic rather than trend following, and it is designed to keep things simple. Okay, the developer specifically describes it as having a lower number of simultaneous open trades with minimal setup required. It works across standard ECN and Cent MT4 accounts, so there is some flexibility there depending on your broker type. All right, then for the historical performance, there is only one account shown. We can see here there is one account shown for this expert advisor labeled as SmartProfit TrendPro, and it shows a gain of 2,229.64%, a drawdown of 40.2%, a daily average of 0.32%, and a monthly average of 10.48%. Let's just quickly open the page. Okay, so we can see more information here. Absolute gain is over 556%. All right, and the deposit was $1,000, but we can see that withdrawals are already close to $32,000. Okay, so the drawdown number is worth sitting with for a moment. At just over 40%, it is on the higher end of what we have looked at across this, what we have looked at across a number of EAs. All right, and of course, basically across the list, of EAs so far on this page on this website. Okay, and from a trader standpoint, a large historical gain alongside a drawdown that size usually points to a strategy that has gone through some meaningful equity swings along the way, even if it recovered and trended upward overall. All right, so trend reversal strategies in particular can sometimes catch a strong counter move before the market actually turns, which is one reason that drawdown tends to matter as much as total gain when you are evaluating something like this. So it is good to look at the overall gain that an EA realized over a tested period, but it's also very important that you look at the drawdown, because there is a possibility that if the drawdown is too much, chances are that over time, if you keep on you know hoping to see similar returns, the drawdown could prevent such returns from even coming in the first place. If a drawdown is too much, the account could get blown, right? So drawdowns are also very, very important considerations when analyzing an expert advisor's performance. Okay, so because this is a single account with no separate broker comparison shown, there is less to cross-reference here than with some of the other EAs in this lineup. So it is worth treating this one number set as a starting point for your own research rather than the full picture. All right, so now let's just head back to this listing here. So as with the other EAs, this is a personal use license EA. You can see personal use only, no resale, redistribution, copy trading, or signal services. So it is against the terms and conditions to resale or redistribute this EA or to even use it for copy trading. All right, is against the terms and conditions. All right, and then as for the delivery, you can see files are emailed within 24 to 48 hours after they receive your MT4 account number. Okay, and it's a digital product, so it's non-refundable once delivered. By opting for immediate access, you waive the 14-day withdrawal right. Okay, so we can also see that there are broker requirements suitable for this EA. Okay, suitable margins, spreads, and execution are important, so confirm with your broker. And then as for the prop firm usage, for those who would like to use the EA on a prop firm, you can see that the rules vary by firm, so you should confirm eligibility with your prop firm before using. All right, and then here we can see, as usual, backtests and third-party widgets are for reference only and do not guarantee future results. And it's important to always take note of the risk warning. Okay, past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading in Forex, CFDs, and leverage products carries a high level of risk and may result in the loss of your earlier investment, your entire investment. And then RobotForexPro provides software tools only and does not provide financial advice. Okay, so now back to Smart Profit. It is an MT4 tool using trend reversal logic with a simpler, low frequency trading approach, but a drawdown figure that is meaningfully higher than some of its stable mates. Okay, so that is exactly the kind of thing worth testing carefully on a demo account first at your own pace before drawing any conclusions about whether it fits your risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.